All right, so here's one of the Othemo headlight lamps. I saw this going crazy on my Instagram. They must be paying a load of money for marketing. I actually got two of them. I opened up one already, but I thought I'd save this one because some people love that. So you've got USB-C rechargeable, 5 lighting modes, lightweight, easily adjustable, red light mode. That's part of the 5 light modes, I think. Wide beam, 492-foot range, motion control. We'll get into that. Weatherproof, we'll also get into that, and a no bounce design. But I mean, decent packaging as far as that goes. Dog walking, hiking, camping, reading, blah 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 blah. I'm doing this because I think it'd be cool to use it with tattooing because of the where did it go? The motion control part of it. So that's why we're here, is for the motion control part of this guy. So the part I think is the most boring. So here we go. So they got the USB-C to USB Type A charger. Cool. Instructions. Pretty self-explanatory. Yeah, don't use chemicals when you're cleaning this. Okay. So I'll leave that there for a hot second. Anybody that loves that kind of stuff can go for it. IP44 for the water resistance. So cool. We got that. We got that. All right. So we got silicone band, like a little soft inner strip, kind of nice. Does look fully adjustable. Little plastic adjustable clips. Not clips, actually, just tightening bands. So then here, like on the commercials that they were doing, I couldn't see what the buttons they were pushing. I don't know, maybe I watched the wrong commercial for the 400th time or something, but yes, you got your power button. I mean, is it bright? Hell yeah, it's bright. Okay, you got red, dope. And you got your flashlight. It's all right. It's not crazy. I mean, I'll throw it on the other cam so we can see how bright she really is. Turn this guy off. So the button on the side though is kind of hard. I mean, like, takes a minute. Yeah, I mean, she's bright. The red's pretty dope. I mean, if you want to go like in Terminator mode and shit, you know, for like camping or something. I mean, honestly, right? And then where the hell? Okay, and then you got your normal headlamp. I mean, yeah, it's. Unfortunately, I'm filming this in the middle of the day, so you know that's cool. But let's throw this guy back on. Oh, and then the so there's another button here we'll throw up. And then we've got the, looks like a Wi-Fi button actually. So that's what's supposed to make it into motion control. So it has to be on first, and you tab that guy once. And this little sensor right here, wait, where is it? That's it right there. The only problem with this thing is, you put it on the right way, right? Okay. So now we got her on. So that's pretty cool. The motion control part of it. Let's switch it to red mode so we're not blinding everybody though. See what I mean? This is hard. Like, this isn't. Okay, you just gotta get used to it, I guess. So let's throw it on. Okay, so red mode, right? So it's cool. Like if you're tattooing, you don't want to have shit on your hands. Don't be gross. Don't be touching stuff. Don't be touching lights, glasses. Don't be touching phones. You know, but. How dope would it be? Oh, it doesn't work on the red. Doesn't work on the red? Let's see. Where's the... Okay. Alright, so how dope would it be? You know, like you're getting down there, your light's always in the way. If you're like me, you're like a light Nazi, like the shadow's in the way. I need to see everything. Everything, right? So, bam. That's pretty dope. Bam, turn it off. Wait, what? pretty touchy, you know? So, do I think it's something that would be awesome for tattoo artists? I think it has some potential, but we'll take a look at some of the insides of it a little bit more, and then come back to this function. All right, again, yeah, this is the button I'm talking about, the Wi-Fi one. Boom. And then we turn it off. Okay. So then you got your beam up front. That's what they're talking about, is for the distance, I guess, right? The parts I'm kind of curious about is the charging cover. So it is just a little rubber flap, and you got your USB-C in there. So they did say IP44, I believe, on the water resistance. The other one I got, I mean, yeah, you would just charge it in here. Actually, let me go to this. So this is their cable, but you just, well, now it's not charging it at all. Isn't that cute? So this is their cable. Okay, so you got to push it in a little bit to get it to kind of light up. You can see there. Yeah. You know, it took, I don't know, an hour or something like that for it to charge. That's cool and all. It falls out really easy. That cover is pretty flimsy. I mean, and then I don't know why the housing needs to come off of this. This is something I didn't see on the video either. So you can kind of partially pull it out. I don't know why you would want to. You can see the battery kind of exposed in there. So as far as durability, I really don't need, why does this piece have to be open? This is just plastic. I thought it was a vent or something. So in the videos in the clips I'll throw up there, see there's just a light sensor. So I mean, this isn't so bad, really, but I don't want to fucking destroy it. Oh, you can see the wiring cutting through into the, obviously, right? But so why do you need to be able to take it apart like this? Why wouldn't it be fully sealed minus the charging port? Kind of doesn't make sense to me for the price. I'm a little curious about that. Like, what's the purpose of this? I don't. Oh, and then I did this twice, so that's cool. I gotta undo it again. So I don't know why you need to take this off, but I think in the future, if you were to redesign one of these, maybe just have the whole thing encased in rubber. Unless there's something that I'm missing. I mean, I'm open to interpretation, but yeah. And then here's the other one, the first one I got. So here's this one. It works, right? So that part's cool. But the instructions clearly state, give your headlamp a power boost by charging it up first. Cool. So let's try that. And I tried everything I could, but this, oh, now it charges, now it plugs in, little bastard. All right, well, okay, well, the first one didn't plug in. Well, the first time I tried it with their cable, so I don't know what freaking changed, but it does pop out fairly easy, just like that. So, gonna have to be careful with that. I'm not a huge fan of the charging port, although it charges, it works. That's cool. All in all, is it a cheaper alternative to this guy? This is Petzl brand. This thing is solid, honestly. I mean, I could do a whole separate review on this, but this one does let it, go back and forth as far as adjustments. The thing I didn't like is I'm not craning my head over, like trying to look straight down. So I got this other light that's pretty dope, but for that. So this is dope. Has, a rechargeable battery just right in there. That's pretty cool. I believe the water resistant rating's probably better on this. This thing is like 80 bucks though. Yeah, it's got like a little rubber seal, I think, in there. Maybe I'm hallucinating, but whatever. I don't know if it's dead. I mean, it's got some bright ass modes too. And it's got red. Boom. And it's got red strobe. Oh shit, I didn't even know that was, that's new, I didn't even know that was on there. I've had this for a long time. Oh my God, I'm gonna be blind after this video, dude. So yeah, this is like 80. This was, like 2 for $60. I mean, if you're trying to get something on an entry point with the hands-free, then I would say not too shabby, but the durability that they talk about and like these clips I'll throw up here, it shows them being hosed down with a pressure washer right in this port, or not port, but it's chilling in the video like that. I mean, pressure washer? Dude, have you used a pressure washer? Do you know the amount of pressure that goes into washing with one of those? I don't, but it's high. I've used one, they're great. I don't know. I don't understand the design of the open part of it. You know, in the videos that they make, I keep wanting to put it on like this, like a normal one, right? In the videos they make, everybody keeps it to the side, and you know they're just raving about how great it is. I can't even find the button. Okay, then we'll try the. Okay, so the motion activated thing. So that's cool. This one doesn't do it, huh? It was cool earlier today. I was turning my head and it was turning it on. Let's try. Okay, now you still gotta switch it to that mode each time. Okay. So this one isn't doing it. Okay, we're gonna try the other one because now I feel like an idiot. All right. Well, it was doing it. It was doing it for real. I just don't have any proof to show you, but it was doing it. So all in all, yeah. If you're trying to get into a headlamp where you don't have to touch anything, obviously. Side note, if you ever see a tattoo artist grab their phone with their gloves on, or a lamp, and it doesn't have barrier film on it, like poor habits lead to other poor habits, you know? I'm all for like wrapping your iPad in saran or barrier film or whatever so you can work it, because sometimes I like to pinch and zoom, but I'm not gonna go touching my iPad, you know, this is gross. So yeah, so all in all, would I recommend this for the price? Yeah, I would say for the 35 bucks or whatever a piece, buy two, get one free, whatever. They'd be pretty dope for camping with the red light, you know, stuff like that. I don't condone any other activity with red lights, but I think it could be helpful, and you don't have to worry about that beam pointing down, like I was saying with this guy, like you have to crane your neck. Although I think it's still gonna be shining in the client's face, so maybe you like put it up under like a hat or something. Like, let me go try that. Yeah, I mean, it helps a little bit. You can't really look as cool wearing your hat though, you know. But I guess it's alright if you wanted to wear it under a hat. I don't like messing up my hats. You can wear it over a hat for sure, but then it kind of defeats the purpose too. You know what I'm saying? So, like, so out of 2 thumbs up, give it like 1. Go check them out. Boy, if you if you click on their advertisement on your Instagram though, you're gonna see this like all day, every day. So be careful and check it out, because they are different prices depending on who you went through, different sponsors, etc. So hope you like this video. You know, do all the things, subscribe, like it, share it, and so forth. So I know that people want to keep hearing me ramble on about stuff that I like to buy, because it's like a never-ending never-ending cycle.